Hi friends, this week we are going to learn different kinds of shapes and try to look for shapes in everyday objects and people. We are also going to establish different standards and measurement using different parts of the body. Wondering how? Let us find out. Before getting into any activity, let me introduce you to the four basic shapes: triangle, circle, rectangle, and square. A triangle is made of three sides and it has three angles or corners. A circle is a perfect shape of a set of points that are all equal exactly the same distance from one point, which we call the center. A square has four equal sides and four right 90-degree angles. A rectangle has four angles, but its sides are not all equal. I would now like to go around the house and find various objects in each of these shapes as follows. Find at least four squares around the house, example, window. Find at least three rectangles around the house, example, door or a tabletop. Find at least 10 circles around the house, example, bottle cap. Find at least 6 triangles around the house, example, carrot. Now try to divide the triangles into 3 different categories as I have done here. The first category has only equilateral triangles, that is, the triangles have 3 equal sides and 3 equal angles. The second category has only isosceles triangles, that is, two sides of the triangle are equal in length and the measure of the third side is longer or shorter. The third type of triangle would be a right angle triangle, that is, one of the angles measure 90 degrees and the triangle looks like the letter L. Now you have learned all categories within the different shapes as well. Now, we are going to draw a few objects using the different shapes that we learned earlier. We shall draw different objects using two or more shapes from the list. Here is a drawing that I made using all the four shapes that we learned. You can use all the shapes in the same drawing or use some of the different shapes to make the drawing. Some of the objects you can try drawing, or a car or a radio or a phone. You will be amazed to see how every object around us is nothing but a combination of various shapes or varying sizes positioned in different ways. I would like you to refer your worksheet today. This will help you to understand the various standard measurements that are used in daily life. Let's measure our height and make some comparisons. As you must have seen in the worksheet, a span length is the measure using your own hand from the tip of the thumb to the tip of the little finger. Stand against a wall and place a sticky note on the wall at the top of your head. Measure how many spans is that by your own hand. Ask other members of your family members to measure their height with their own span length. Try to answer some of these questions. How tall am I? Measured with my own span. How tall is my father? measured with his own span. How tall is my mother? Measured with her own span. Other family members. Which distance is longer? Record your responses. You can repeat the same experiment with the other family members as well. You can also measure how many spans equal to the length of your cubit. The cubit is the length from your elbow to the tip of your longest finger. Try to make the same kind of comparisons as before.